morning, and today try natin mag-review ng laptop, which is budget laptop, which cost around less than 30,000. Siguro budget na siya in a sense, kasama na yung operating system, and marami ka na magagawa. And yung na-check natin na laptop for that price is 25,000, which I believe older model nga lang siya since last year, kasi budget, hindi naman natin usually kailangan nung bagong model, which is mas mahal usually yung bagong model, yung bagong gen ng processor. So, ang tetestingin natin is yung ASUS X512D VivoBook, ang nipis niya. And try natin yung games later. Then, ano ba yung mga port na kasama niya? Meron siyang HDMI, 1 USB port, micro SD slot, headphone jack, and USB Type-C for Type-C cable. And on the other side, dalawang USB port din. Yun, wala na rin pala talaga usually na CD-ROM drive sa mga lumalabas na laptop. Most laptop, pag nag-install ng OS, USB thumb drive na ang gamit. So, let's check on how this thing perform on, again, siguro yung Asphalt yung testingin natin. Kasi hindi ko naman siya madadownload ng heavy games, kasi sa tingin ko hindi siya ganun ka-worth it. Kasi for my desktop, I'm using 1070 Ti, and good siya, pero makikita na niya naman yun, mga recommendation for such game, if ano yung mga minimum requirements. So yun, dami ko pa sinabi, let's do the testing for the Asphalt game on this laptop, and kung ano ba yung masasabi natin later. And yun, testin muna natin siya sa games, kung paano ba performance niya. Actually, yung games na dinownload natin is just for in libre from Microsoft, I believe. And we're playing Asphalt. Naka-max settings naman siya. Ooh. Hindi naman. Whoa. Hi guys, and nakita niyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung laptop na tinesting natin, and yung price niya is 25,000 lang, which I believe is a good price for a budget laptop. It's not more of a gaming laptop, but a day-to-day laptop. Kasi if you're looking for a gaming laptop, this laptop is definitely not for you. When I say gaming, high resolution, 4K or 1080p display and everything, yung makakapag ultra high settings ka for games such as Biohazard and other games as well. Pero for the games like Dota 2, you can still play with Dota 2, and yung kanina yung Asphalt, kung nakita nyo, which is good naman siya, pero yung Asphalt kasi na yun, hindi siya ganun ka high resolution na what I'm trying to play for my desktop or workstation, na yung need for speed, I forgot ko ano yung version, pero sobrang high detail niya and high resolution, which is good for me. But for this laptop, it's still okay to play games. Not just don't expect too much siguro kung for ultra detailed. If you're downloading games such for Steam or buying games in Data Blitz, yun. Yung mga game na yun, sa tingin ko, I think you'll be needing a powerful laptop with dedicated video card. And for the aesthetics naman, maganda siya. Actually, nagulat ako. Ang ganda niya, ang nipis niya, hindi siya bulky katulad ng ibang laptop, as you can see. Ganyan lang siya kanipis. Yan, pag sinara mo siya, yan. Yun. Ang one thing lang pala na hindi maganda sa aesthetics niya is yung sa ilalim, which is yun, fingerprint magnet siya, makikita nyo. Pero wala naman tumitingin usually sa ilalim, kaya yun. Then, yun, yung ano niya, the vent niya for air cool sa likod, which is okay naman, I believe. And nung tinasting ko siya, hindi naman siya uminit ng sobra. And yung ibabaw, it's not fingerprint magnet naman. And good siya. Then, sino ba pwedeng gumamit itong laptop na to? Siguro yung mga regular na nag-work lang, or what, not regular na nag-work. Yung day-to-day tasks, yung work sa office, Excel, Word, Microsoft, and everything. Kasama na rin siguro yung for students na nag-aaral. Siyempre, pag students, hindi naman gaming laptop ang kailangan mo. Yung for day-to-day tasks, for reporting, paggawa ng thesis and everything. Yun lang. Tapos yung iba, siyempre, for YouTube, which is I believe good naman siya for YouTube. Then, siguro, mostly intended siya or suggested for someone in accounting. Paano ko nasabi? Kasi, if you can see, bihira yung laptop na may full numpad, which is ito yung usually ginagamit ng mga accounting or accountant or basta into numbers or accounting, kasi mas madali yung function niya. Kasi yung ibang laptop, mapapansin nyo, walang full numpad, which is ang ginagamit ito, which is medyo mahirap siya in a sense na kapag talagang you're working for a lot of numbers to compute. So yun, suggested siya for those types of persons or students. Then, what else can I say with this one? 25,000, sulit siya. May Windows OS na rin siya nakasama. And, good naman yung sounds niya. Don't expect for a great quality sound, but expect for a good sound lang. Good. Something na you can work with. So, it's not bad naman. Then, as always, meron ding front-facing camera for webcam. And, what else can I say with this one? 4GB yung RAM niya, by default, and Radeon graphics card, hindi siya dedicated, built-in with the processor, which is AMD Ryzen 5. Yun, kapag close natin siya, yan. It is good. And thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe. And sooner I'll try to look for a gaming laptop that we can review kung ano ba talaga yung performance niya. Hindi ko rin pala siya binench burn-in testing kasi bago pa siya and baka masira. Hindi siya intended talaga kasi for heavy duty na gaming. So, pass muna siya sa burn-in test. Thanks guys. Hope to see you soon.